My name is Ali Mahmood. I was a refugee, now I'm a citizen. I came to America August 2015, and I opened this restaurant a year later, like in 2016. I have just 3 items because I want to keep the quality at the top. The falafel, basically it's made of beans, chickpeas or garbanzo beans and fava beans, and we add some vegetables like onions, cilantro, parsley. We soak it in water for 24 hours, and then we mix everything and grind it. Then we deep fry it. It's a fried, but it's healthy. Actually, it has protein, sometimes more than meat, without the side effect of eating meat like saturated fat, something like that. The shawarma, it's chicken or beef. It's the way you make and grill the meat. It's a vertical broiler. We rank 5 on Greater Phoenix for the best places to eat. Last year, 2020, we ranked number 2 nationwide for the best falafel. They have to try it. For me, I used to be a technician for photographic machines. It's a huge industry. And my family, they arrived here before me, and I wondered what I'm gonna do in America. So I found several fields. One of them was the food. I chose the falafel, and I made my own recipe. It's my recipe. You can eat it like any time in the day. When we started here, I got the support from my family. We worked more than 2 years without any income, any profit. Without them, nothing from this will happen. For who love the falafel or like the falafel or heard about the falafel, this is the best place to try it. We are located in Peoria, 67th Avenue and Cactus. We did an amazing job. For sure, we are the best.